A screenplay can carry production risk long before a camera starts rolling. A brand reference, a location, a character name, or a line that deserves closer review. CineTrust watsonx brings that work forward as decision support. The public judge demo parses a scene into structured entities using a deterministic local dataset, then maps those entities into an explainable IBM-shaped risk taxonomy fixture. The interface highlights each finding, states why it was surfaced, and routes the result to a human review checkpoint. The product boundary is visible on every screen. This is not legal advice. A risk flag is not a clearance, certification, or official rating. Even the counsel action records only a demo workflow state. It never pretends that a lawyer approved the scene. The repository implements genuine live integration paths for Google Gemini through the Google GenAI SDK, and for IBM watsonx through the official IBM SDK using Granite 4H small. Live failures return explicit unavailable or error states instead of silently substituting fixtures. The evidence boundary is equally clear. The current implementation targets Gemini 3.7 Flash through the official Google GenAI SDK, while a dated Gemini 2.5 Smoke proves only the historical authenticated SDK path. Live watsonx execution and the hackathons-required IBM Bob development evidence are not claimed because this account is not yet provisioned for those IBM services. The repository includes an exact IBM Bob action guide so eligibility proof can be completed without fabricating evidence. 8 automated tests cover configuration truth, demo behavior, strict live failures, the current Granite model identifier, safe rendering, and legal language guardrails. The public MIT licensed repository and hosted demo let judges inspect the entire responsible review workflow immediately. For a judge, every boundary is inspectable. The hosted app says demo fixtures at the top. The risk report says counsel review is required. The source shows the IBM SDK call that would run in live mode. The evidence matrix marks unavailable proof as blocked rather than parsed. That honesty is part of the product design. A governance tool should not overstate its own authority, and a hackathon entry should not overstate the evidence behind it. When IBM Access is provisioned, the Bob and watsonx proof can be added without changing the public evaluator contract. CineTrust watsonx proposes a careful use of AI, surface what deserves attention, explain why it was surfaced, and keep final authority with qualified people. CineTrust watsonx, spot production risk before it reaches the set.